Okay. Push up for every time you insist the word crisps is a thing. For every line of code. I think you guys want to kill me. You know, how it works is if I die or something, I'm not going to be able to stream again, even if I wanted to. You know that, right? Just saying. Just saying. Give me this socket thing. I need that. And then I need the token. I'm probably not gonna be able to hide that. Let me just switch over to blank real quick. The token is super long anyway, so I'm not too concerned about having it just there, but I don't want to accidentally copy it and then scroll across the entire screen. That makes sense. Ripped in an instant. Yeah, I know, right? Wait, what? Oh, it's a script. It's not a script. Will you give me your code repos and your will? I don't know. You don't seem to be too much of a fan of the my GitHub obsession. It's not really even an obsession. It's just, I don't know. I like tracking my activity. What? Hello, lunchroom. I don't know why I'm saying hello. It's not like Andrew's put me out the cinema screen or anything, I hope. These transitions don't add up. Oh yeah, because I'm streaming from my laptop and I don't have access to... I should just copy over the file and make it like uniform, but I haven't. There's only one in here, now there's 3 of us awkwardly eating. What are you watching me on? Like your mobile? They can't hear me, can they? That would be awkward. I'm switching back to the other screen any second. Give me a second. Don't look at me. Okay. Alright, we're good. Family watching stream together. Rip. Mobile? Well, don't you have like earphones or something? Swarm Collective, using Chromecast to stream to the big screen. Wait, is Swarm one of your co-workers? I don't know what's going on. Also, hello. If I apologize if you're not. I'm getting distracted again. What am I doing? Right. I need to load this. Open with the live server. Connected. Okay. I need to log into an alt account and host myself, which is, you know, totally not, it's totally fine, I think. No headphone jack? Oh, right, iPhone. Yeesh, forgot that was a thing. Isn't Twitch designed to distract you? Yeah, that's true. I mean, some people are a bit... Wait, what? I'm gonna say less easily distracted. I'm not one of those people, unfortunately. Good time to have an argument about a correct name for a certain snack. Listen, Albister. I don't appreciate you bringing that up right now. I am multitasking so hard right now, it's unreal. Unhost. Get those push-ups ready. Andrew, I think you should I think you should take those push-ups. Not that I'm trying to say anything, you know, just saying. Host the Firewire. Okay, that didn't work. I do see it in chat though. The Firewire is now hosting you, and an alert didn't. Oh no, because I don't have a host alert. But nothing appeared in the console, so that didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna try Streamlabs next. Some of us are better at distracting than others. Is that what you're trying to not say? Trying to interpret the negative in that sentence is probably going to be more distracting than just nodding my head and agreeing or whatever. Something like that. Something like that. Okay. Need to find. Oh god, this was such an awkward file. Big oof. Should have clipped the other day when you told me to shut up, the way you said it was hilarious. Oh, yeah, I think I remember that. I mean, he is kind of a celebrity now, so now that I think about it, you are kind of right. It's not like I'm a celebrity. I think my gift sub to Harris's thing has expired now, actually, so I don't even I'm back to my pleb badge. Okay, delete all of this. So this should connect us to the Streamlabs socket. With any luck. I need to grab my SE stuff instead. I will be right back again. Settings. 32,000 people saw your name. I'd say you're kind of famous now. Well, I mean, I did get quite a few offline follows from that, which I'm pretty grateful for. It's pretty crazy how much reach he has. I mean, I'm pretty sure like within the first hour of him putting that video out, I got like, I don't know, 10, 20 offline follows, which was a bit insane. Okay, copy. Dashboard. Okay. Paste it here. Save. And back we go. Asahi, thank you for the host. Oh no, I don't have the thing running. Or do I? Okay, it didn't. It's fine. We'll try Streamlabs next. I'm basically trying to work out how this Stream Elements host thingy works. It seems like the socket just doesn't pick up on 0 viewer hosts, or like even 1 viewer hosts. I know in their Discord they say that offline channels that host you, they don't get counted. But it's weird because I think the Streamlabs one does, so I'm not sure how that works. I'm just investigating that briefly. Let's try Streamlabs next. Okay, connected to Streamlabs. Let's send a test thing just to make sure everything's so different. Everything looks different. Okay, so test follow. That comes through. Does it come through on thing? Didn't. Or did it? Oh no, because it's Streamlabs. Right. That makes sense. Okay, so that works. Now I just need to send another. I should make this dark theme. Unhost. I don't think it's gonna let me host multiple times in a row, so I'm just gonna use an alt. Host. Oh wait, I need to go to my own chat. Host the Firewire. I don't think that worked. I remember hosting Kazla from offline, and it made the alert appeared. So I don't get that. It didn't seem to come up on Streamlabs either. What is happening? It's coming up in chat though, that's the thing. Like here. Sahizura is now hosting you. Oh, Stream Elements doesn't seem to say put the event in chat, so obviously it can't be. It might not be seeing it from there, but Twitch knows. Twitch knows. Blame Streamlabs. I wish I could. But Streamlabs seems to be the one that's working, at least for Kazla. And I mean in general, because I think their event list works. Interesting. Bishop, what's up? Poggers, dude. I'm just testing out this this host situation. But yeah, this is the socket thing that I was telling you about. So this is just a regular web page in Streamlabs, and these are the kind of events you can see. Like at the follow. I'm not too bad, thanks. Been a bit of a quiet day. I just ate, so I probably shouldn't be, I don't know, talking so much. But yeah, it was either that or go into a food sleep coma, and I've already slept enough today, so I don't want to. I don't want to do that. How are you? How is Skyrim going? I thought you were playing Splitgate yesterday, actually. I bet you're wearing Amphi's badge. I'm wearing Scribbly's badge because, you know, Scribbly. Although I think they did meet because they're both Splitgate partners, so that's pretty awesome. It's really neat that they got their emblems into the game. Okay. So I need. Why doesn't GitHub have a dark mode? It's terrible. Alright. Just hanging out. Just finished sub badges. Poggers, dude. Your own channel? Or someone else's? I'm guessing your own channel. After like 6 months of contemplating. Yeah, I had no idea what to do for my sub badges either. I just went with like something super generic, and then a couple weeks ago, I just updated them to like code related stuff, which is pretty. I feel like it's thematic, you know. What did you go for? I need to load this. Okay. So this should be connected to my channel now. It is. I don't know if that's viewable. Oh, I can zoom in a bit. So I think, yeah, these are all the people are in here. I don't want to accidentally call out anyone who's lurking. Although I see some bots, so there's Bishop. Bishop GP PogChamp. I went with the design as a combo with gems and metals. Nice. That sounds pretty poggers. I'll have to stop by your channel and see them. It's actually a good thing that you redesigned recently, because I know a lot of people are kind of what's the word? Ticked off that Twitch just randomly dropped the 9-month badge out of nowhere, and I know people like spent ages working on the perfect 4 badge design, and now they have to add an extra badge. So now, yeah, you have everything set. Is this the code that generates the chat on the left? It's... yes, actually. So this is like a beta version of the script, which is called Twitch.js, and this is the beta one. It has quite a few more features than the one I'm currently using, which is the one that's on the chat. But I don't need those features. Like literally, the chat is only listening to chat and doing stuff. There are some. So the beta version has some more advanced stuff, which is like being able to see events. So actually, this IRC stuff can actually see follow events, subs, resubs, community gifts, that kind of thing. Which is what I'm targeting now to see if I can find the hosts. Let me see if I actually have all the events. Yeah, I logged them. So there's quite a lot of chat events actually. So for instance, if you try to ban someone who's already banned, I think you get this already banned notice. Ban, unban, no ban, I have no idea what that is. Ban success, it's when someone cheers, when someone clears chat. You can see when people join the chat and when they leave, which is pretty cool. Thank you for the host. Actually, that's what I needed to test. Let's see if that appeared. I don't think it did. Feels bad. See, I don't get it. I'm just trying to work out why like 0 and 1 viewer hosts don't appear, because I know Stream Elements has been having a bit of trouble with that. I don't know if Streamlabs has that as well, but it appears in the thing. Like, I can see it in chat here. Bishop GP is now hosting you, so it has to be coming through from somewhere. But for some reason it doesn't... like, it should be on the IRC, but it's not. Or at least I can't see it. Why does it show message as private message? I'm not sure. I know that Twitch chat is based off of IRC, which is basically this. So maybe it's just a remnant of an old tag that they used to have, or something. I don't know. Maybe they just never got around to changing it. Do you have a host minimum viewer requirement? I don't think I do, no. I don't remember setting one up. Did you code that chat too? I did, yes. We that was something we worked on in like October last year. I do have some VODs of it on my YouTube of when we worked on that. It was a fun project. I think I gave people... Actually, that was one thing that I was going to do, which was... I don't know if this is still going to work, but I did give people partner badges. So let me see if I can actually do that right now. Case Bishop GP badge set partner. Let's see if that works. Try saying something. I think it was because you're a partner. Look at you, dude. That's pretty poggers. How does it feel? Listen, you can be a partner anytime you want in there. This is our world. What was I reading? Using one server and each Twitch channel is an IRC channel, so the private message send the message to a specific channel, not to a specific person. Yeah, that makes sense. I do find it funny how it is just literally a base IRC, which does explain why when you ban someone from chatting, they can still watch your channel, because they're only banned from the IRC. rather than actually like banned from seeing the channel at all. So that's something that Twitch would have to change if, you know, they want proper, if they want to ban someone properly. Is just like actually ban them from the channel itself and not just from IRC. Thanks for the partnership, I'll give you 50% of all revenue. That sounds like a sweet deal to me. Not gonna lie. I would think private refers to a person more than a channel though. Yeah, I can see that as well. It is slightly confusing. I did get tripped up the first time I started looking at Twitch events, which is thankfully not too often. I mostly work through either Streamlabs or Stream Elements. More Stream Elements recently though, obviously. How do you solve issues with multiple badges, e.g. mod, prime, partner, subscriber? Is that all done in the current chat? So the event that I see from this is actually the super like raw version, which isn't really what I'm using at the moment, but it is very similar. So for example, badges like this, I see premium as being true. The chat box basically, what it does is every time the chat box starts up, it logs. Let me see if I can open the log. It gets the badges. So these are all of the actual Twitch badges that exist, the global ones, and then the other badges. Oh, those are the emotes. Oh, there it is. These are the ones specific to this channel. So, for instance, my sub badges. And then it gets all of the emotes so that it can pass them later as well. And it gets any specific channel, FFC emotes, and then basically I just have like a dictionary to look up specific tags and stuff. I didn't realize there were so many global Twitch badges. I've not seen like any of these. Obviously there's stuff like broadcaster. Just that. Oh god, it looks so trippy when it's all like that. Hey look! Partner! Woo! Is that something you'd have to manually insert? Or is there some way of grabbing that per channel? How do you mean? Grabbing the badges? So this is done per channel, I think. Alkabeast. The emotes and per channel. Alkabeast, what's up? So let me see. I think yeah, so the global emotes you can just fetch because you know they're global. The BTTV emotes you can grab by channel. It looks like I'm just using channel name. And BTTV. Oh, BTTV doesn't. Wait. How am I doing that one? That's weird. I knew you after seeing the notification name. I don't usually stream around this time, so it's kind of weird, I guess. I was doing a test thing earlier, and it doesn't seem like it's working, so that kind of sucks. I'll have to look more into it. Thank you for the host. Explain to me the get and the log. Which get? The get. Okay, it didn't work. Why? new to coding. So the log literally just... Wait, do you mean this log? Or do you mean... Last I saw you stream, that robot was Logi. Oh, are you from Kazla stream? I keep forgetting. I think you are. Let me see. Just from a fundamental level, I'm guessing you can get an array of data from somewhere and then have it saved somewhere else. Yeah, so if I take a look at this function, basically get BTTV emotes is a function that I wrote that basically does a request to the URL, and then if I go to it directly, you'll see what it looks like. Firefox is really good for this, by the way. I recommend. It is a very good developer browser. So if I go to this, you get a JSON that looks a bit like this. So this is what you might see in Chrome. But this is what it looks like parsed. So the JSON is basically this set of data, emotes for example, which is just all of my BTTV emotes. And it gives you a nice URL template as well, so you can actually take the ID bit and slot it into this ID bit here. And then you can put a size here, I think, to get like a specific size that you want. So usually APIs do have this kind of like endpoint, I guess they're called, which you can access to get specific data. Sometimes you need to also attach an authorization header. So this one is public, so I didn't need to do that. But sometimes you do need to attach credentials and things. I know the Twitch ones, they usually need a client ID, probably just so they can see who's accessing the data and whatever. And you can generate one of those pretty easily on their developer dashboard. When does it log the emotes? This only shows it logging that it found the emotes. It logs the emotes here. The actual emotes. Oh wait. Oh yeah, this is the chat. Oh, when in the code? It's literally just in the root. I could have put it inside an iffy, but I didn't. It's just like a super long chain. I should have used like await, async and await. Oh, right, yeah. The functions themselves have a logger. It's just logging inside the function itself. You're not going crazy. There's a console log inside the function. I didn't bother removing those because it was useful to be able to just check what the things were. And then this was custom stuff that's not like set. Now it's just if I wanted to give people random badges. I got a shower. Don't want you guys smelling my funk. I read that as junk at first, and I was a bit concerned. But yeah, have a good shower. I find it funny. You can see when people leave as well. So I think this person's left, so I don't feel bad about calling them out anymore. But it looks like we had someone called Bloodluster who entered earlier, and they left. I guess they were lurking. And this is actually probably the way you would get viewer lists. The viewer lists are cached in by Twitch. One of their endpoints does get you a list of chatters, but it's only updated every couple minutes. So I guess if we wanted it in semi-real time, you'd have to do the logging yourself. Me leave. I'll just leave it on luck. No. Whatever you say, Kappa. I should probably... I can close that. Let's see what emotes Bishop has. I'm curious. Heidi guys, poggers, Omega lol, yikers, clap. Clap's a GIF. Nice. Do I remember how to actually access this? Let's see. Or? No. I forgot the thing. How did I... what was the format? Oh, here it is. It's 2 times. I think. Oh, there we go. Oh, what? It doesn't do a... oh, there's a bigger one at least. Good day to battalion. Oh, good day to be Italian. Okay, now I understand. That's a cute emote. We should just make this some kind of screen, I feel like. Okay. Gym done. Gonna head home now. See you all in a bit. Alright, Albister. Hope you got some good gym time in. And yeah, I'll see you momentarily, probably. I don't know if I'd be on for too much longer. I was only gonna test... oh god, that's the face. I was gonna test the host stuff, but I think the host stuff is just not working. I don't know. Feels bad. The good thing about the IRC is that I could listen to anyone's IRC though. So there's always that. I can listen to someone else's chat and see if the host things appear. Maybe I could host someone, or maybe I could connect to someone's chat now and then host them and see if it comes through. That would be an interesting exercise. Not stalker at all, looking at someone else's chat. Hold on, give me a second. So this one's authenticated at Streamelements, and this one's at Streamlabs, and this one is looking at our chat. Hey look, Alkabeast left. No, it doesn't look like it appeared. I don't know if maybe just because Streamelements said that the API changed and offline hosts don't count anymore, but I feel like Streamelements, the event list in Streamelements does see offline hosts, so I don't understand. Thanks for the hostess though. I promise I'm not exploiting you to just host me for no reason. I don't know what the... I don't think it's all a trick. It's not a trick, I promise. Since we have a little time, actually, if Bishop wanted to send me those files, I could probably take a look at the thing that you were mentioning on your stream the other day about the loop thing. Although I haven't worked with videos for a while, so it might be a bit sketchy. But I'm sure we can figure something out. So cryptic. So Bishop was just wanted to experiment with some things. He had some Poggers ideas. I have lots of things. Let me think about what I can send you. Okay, sounds good. Oh, that's already exported. Gotcha. Because we do have some WebM stuff at the moment that we're working on in Streamelements that seems to work okay. So I don't know if you've seen the Streamelements stuff, but they're basically, it looks a bit like this. Well, it does look like this, not a bit like. And you basically have these containers. So what I'm thinking is just have a container like this around your thing. And because these container things can get events, you should be able to just trigger a bunch of stuff to happen. And you can insert the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I can actually clear all of this. Have some stuff? Let me Dropbox it to you. Alright, sounds good. I will switch to the other screen. It's going to be crappy, but we can replace it later. Yeah, sounds good. It is just a concept. It's just if we can actually get the logic working the way you were thinking. I think it should. Kind of reminds me of something else that I was going to work on. I didn't get around to it yet though. A subtrain widget, which would basically be, I guess, a WebM, which would just appear when the sub happens and then keep looping until the timer runs out, I guess, and then it would animate out or something. I don't know. But I'm waiting on some stuff for that. I have too much on my plate. But it's fine. Loading. That sounds pretty easy. It does, in theory. The thing that I was concerned about is, I mean, I've worked, so the clip thing that I already worked on, I don't know if you know this clip thing. Basically, it was like an overlay that pulled clips from a specific channel, or random channels, or like randomly set channels, and it would generate a clip compilation. And I have the animation set up so that the thing starts playing like within the last 10 frames or something. So there's definitely a way to listen to the frames, and I guess it would just be a case of doing that. I'm gonna have to switch to Chrome actually, because Firefox for some reason has really bad WebM support. Well, not really bad, but WebMs for some reason are not transparent. Like this. Wait, why is this one transparent? That's weird. Discord has been having a memory leak for you. Oh no. Do you use the browser version? Or the Electron app? The desktop. Hell. Maybe you should restart. That sounds a bit chaotic. I think this is actually my first code related stream on this laptop, because all my other streams have been, well, we played that robot game, Event Zero. That was a game, so and then also we had quadrilateral cowboy mapping, which was, I guess, a game. Is this just a game to you? Let's exit this. Make a new thing. What's new untitled widget? Oh, that's WebM widget. Let's rename it. Let's just call it WebWidge. I sent you a photo on Discord. Right. Sounds good. Fire Festival? What? I feel hashtag offended. Fire Festival is not representative of the Fire name. You know, I feel like I should just say that. Just put that out there. That. Yeah. Because it feels bad. Yeah. Do that, have that here. These could very well not work. Ultimately, I have a overlay WebM. The others are assortment of alerts inside the screens and stuff. Okay, that's good. Which one should I start with? Or do I need all of them? I feel like I need all of them. How do I... 10 gold. It does look nice. Elliot is a... god at these things. Let me see. Let me make a... Where shall I put it? I'll just... Actually, no. I need it inside my kid thing, but I... yeah, let's put it inside here for now. So there are 3 alert variations in camera for aim. I need to see these. Ooh, okay, that makes more sense. Oh, that's cool. Why balloons? Does that? What happened? Oh, okay. I think it was just. Ah, okay. Gotcha. Let me just download all of them, and then we'll see. I think there is going to be a, some trial and error with overlaying them. Or it might not be too bad. We'll see. I'm gonna try and have a look in just a regular HTML file, and then we'll try putting it inside the widget, I guess. So let me close all of this. Oh, can I actually play them in here? Oh, I can't. Never mind. Bishop HTML. So what do we have? I'd use the confetti one. Might not need the others. Ah, okay. So let's see. We'd need I guess 2 videos. And let's make that just the base. I'll just copy paste that name. I kind of dislike working with videos just because they can be a bit finicky at times. But hopefully I'll be okay. Man, that's way too big. We'll just make it the size of the... Oh, it is 100%. Albersto, welcome back. How big is this? Oh wait, is this a WebM? Oh, it is a WebM. It didn't seem to be animating. Oh, that's... Does it animate? I don't know. Maybe I didn't see. I didn't play that one, I don't think. Oh, okay. I think I just didn't play it, or I probably need... I thought it would just play in thing, but it didn't. But that's okay. We'll just make the style here for now. thought I could do... Oh, you know what? I think the source actually needs to be inside. I might just have to copy paste my other thing that I have, because it'll be easier than trying to do everything from here. Okay, that's now 100%. And then it doesn't play because we need to actually start playing. I don't know, maybe I should load jQuery. We'll see. So they should resize now. So when we have the browser source in OBS, it'll do that thing. So that means that potentially we could... Can we have two sources and then have one above the other? I don't know. Confetti. It didn't like that. Okay, so one... That's okay, we can just duplicate this. But they are going to push each other off. So we need to overlay it. Oh wait, maybe it's because of the zoom. No, we need to do absolute positioning. So we need them both inside one div, I think, would be the best way to do it. And we'll call it container, and we'll call this confetti. And then what we want is padding 0, margin 0. I'll make it a class instead of a ID, because some people were yelling at me about that. Oh wait, it should be class confetti frame. I feel like this should work. Let's see. It should be overlaid on top of each other now, but we actually need to play. Let me do this. Actually, let me comment this out. And then do confetti. If I can spell confetti, hello? Confetti, okay. Background color. Oh, you're right, autoplay equals true. That should make it play. I completely forgot about that tag. I never really understood the benefits of WebM. How compressed is it? Does it support alpha channel? It does support alpha channel, so that's one of the good things. And the compression is good enough that you do usually have good quality, and the file size is small. I know the MOV files are just massive. Obviously they're like, I think they're uncompressed, so you do get really good quality, but usually it's not very handy for uploading to stream elements and stuff. I mean, locally on your computer should be fine, but if you're like uploading, it's not too great. Okay, so they should be overlaid on top of each other now, I think. Now let's do the autoplay true. It doesn't need to be equal true. I think you can just specify autoplay and it should autoplay. Or not. Autoplay is only allowed... Okay, so I know that there is a a new policy, autoplay policy, where it doesn't allow it to actually work unless you've interacted with the site quite a few times. But it does work in OBS, so let's try just adding it in OBS, I guess. I've been using AVI for transitions. I mean, locally is all good. It's only when you need to upload things to websites that it becomes more of an issue. I needed to specify the loop, I think. I don't know why the bottom is cut off, that's a bit weird. This reminds me I need to make a new webcam frame. I would definitely take a look at Bishop GP. He is a god at creating custom 3D modeled cam like cam frames and overlays and stuff. I can't remember how we met. I think maybe I was just browsing through the Twitch directory and his like setup and cam and stuff was all very polished. He's some insane quality cameras and stuff as well. Definitely check him out. I will do the SOs. I don't know why the bottom is cut off. That's so weird. Oh, I forgot it's still here. Maybe let's make the whole thing. Wait, is it cut off? It is cut off. Is it just because this isn't? Let's set it to 11:42:709. There you go. I was just assuming its size. Respect for 3D overlay artists. I usually watch Zalotron. Usually has some really cool stuff he makes with Unreal Engine. Oh, I think you saw. Yeah, I think you linked me to his channel. He did seem have some pretty cool stuffs happening. So if I'm assuming correctly, Bishop wanted the frame to the confetti to happen on an event. I'm just guessing. Yes, indeed. Okay. So let's move this to what's it called? Stream elements. So what we do is just take this container, just eating with the girlfriend. Say hi to Rebel Ruby for me. Where is it? Oh, here we go. Bish. Oh. Creative. Actually, what's that game that he was playing? Tropico. I feel like I should probably add. Is it Tropico 4? I think so. I think the games will help me remember that it's you. At a glance. That's all I can think about now. I know you're playing mostly Skyrim at the moment, but still. I should create my own game category. I mean, it's possible. You could just make a game. Like, doesn't even have to be that good of a game, and then submit it to Twitch to have it listed in the directory, and hey, you have your own game category. That would be the ultimate flex. Not gonna lie. Just like, yeah, casually I have my own category on Twitch, just saying. So really all we need is this single event listener on event received. Because that's the one that's going to be like, oh hey, we got a follow, let me do something. And then we'll put the thing here. What we'll actually do is go the extra mile and upload the pickers here. I feel like that would be a cool idea. So we have frame. No. Confetti. No. Source confetti. And this one will be source frame. We can get rid of value. We can make the type image. Oh no, video input. Video input. I tried to play Tropico 3 years ago. Tropico. Wait, are you saying Tropico 1 3 years ago or Tropico 3 but years ago? I'm confused. It doesn't take much to confuse me. I'll just say frame and confetti. Couldn't render buildings. Oh no. So let's upload. God, why do I have so many things? Confetti. What? I don't understand why suddenly these WebMs have a transparent background. I thought OBS couldn't deal with that. Like literally, when I go to the Stream Elements homepage, the OBS Live logo it's got this massive black box around it because this WebM apparently doesn't have transparency. Well, it does have transparency, but it doesn't the render for some reason. I thought there was a problem with Firefox, but I feel like it's a problem with the file. Maybe the file hasn't got the right encoding or something? I think your computer's busted. No, it's not. I literally just got a new laptop. Literally. And it works on Chrome. I think it's just Firefox. Look, I can prove it to you. On Chrome, it looks like if it'll load that. So it's not me, I don't think. Why is Squeak dancing in the background? They just have random streamers, you know. I like the one of Tim the Tatman. He has a funny dance. Anyway, so that's a confetti. And then we need this one. And then what we need is source to be source confetti and source frame. Oh, and we need the CSS, which let me just copy paste that from here. Now we need to make it the right size. That looks about right. When are you gonna be back there? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We'll have to see. I wonder if I make the height 100%, I think it's gonna just stretch it. I think if I only define one of the properties, it's going to be proportional. But if I do this, it's going to... Oh no, it doesn't. It just... Okay, that's cool. We'll do that. So now it should be to whatever height or width, whichever one's greater. That's cool. Keeps it proportional. The question is, Albrister, when are you going to be back there? So what we want is don't have the confetti loop or autoplay. Just have that like this. Probably never because I use Streamlabs. Well, Streamlabs has their own thing. You could be a name up here. Obviously it's not as cool as having a video of you in the background, but still. Or maybe you have your picture instead. To be honest, I feel like most of these people use a mix of Stream Elements and Streamlabs. They did a good job of using the big wig in Photoshop. That I can see, yeah, look at that. That is kind of painful looking. Actually, not gonna lie. Oh, where did it go? I want to select the image. Landing hero. Landing Pokemon. Let's look at that glorious cutout. Nice. Wait, I don't think it's even transparent in... Oh, there it is. I can see it better now. Ooh, look. I have too much fun doing that. Looks bad, feels bad, it's bad. They definitely need to get some custom alerts. If it doesn't overlay on your stream, you know, does that even work? I feel like I'm not gonna get sued, am I? Well, if I am, I'm just going to say that Bishop made me do it. Oh wait, I think I can just do a browser source actually. Browser Pokemon. I've never actually seen a Pokemon stream. Just saying. 594 by 500. 594 500. Oh no! Why is the background like that? Background color none. Transparent? Okay. I feel a bit weird for saving a picture of her, but I'm gonna do it for the memes and because Bishop told me to. It'll only be for this stream though, because I'm probably going to delete the picture afterwards. There we go. I'm going to save up to commission someone. Wow. The shades. I feel attacked. It's perfect. It is. Maybe I'll leave it there. Special streams only. Okay, so when we receive an event, basically the easiest thing to do if you're just getting started with this is to console log object like this, because object is the data that you'll be receiving from this event. Long time no see. There's a thought on your screen. What's up, Brute? How's it going? God, it has been a while. You've been following since October. Oh, it's Quicks. I was wondering why I didn't recognize your name. You're the guy who's obsessed with C. C# and C++. Well, no, just C actually, I think. Now I remember. Don't post this on YouTube, you're getting copyright striked. Big oofs. Big oofs, dude. Let's do, you know, it's there. What can we do? So if I do a follow, for example, well, let's do sub. Is this supposed to be for subs? I guess for subs. You'll see a whole bunch of events like this. And what you want is to find object detail listener, and then check if that is subscriber latest. So listener equals opt detail listener. If listener does not equal subscriber latest, then return. And then console log object otherwise. So that should result in just having one single event, which we do have, which is this. And then we can say, well, actually we don't need anything to do with the event, because all we need is the trigger. So we'll say class.confetti I think this automatically comes with jQuery, so we can just do confetti. And then we need to play it. I don't think just play works, or will it? No. There's a way to play a video, and how to play a video with jQuery. I think it's Scribbly, what's up? We're getting all the viewers. Oh, from the... Oh god. I don't know if that's what we want. Scribbly, I was testing the... I was trying to get some more information about the host stuff, because I saw you tweet at Streamlabs, and I can't do it. I don't know what's up with that host thing, because it's not coming through on Streamlabs either, at least for me, on the socket. But it's weird because it only works on, I mean, it works on Kazler's host alerts. I've hosted Kazler whilst I've been offline, and for some reason it works. It just doesn't come through for some reason. I've tried checking IRC in chat as well, and It doesn't seem to even come through on that, so I have no idea. I'll need to do some more investigating even. I'm also a partner. Oh, that's right, you're like partner twins. And I even set it so that the partner badge would appear in the right place, like after your actual badge. That's how I, gotta pay attention to detail. Actually, a partner, trust me. You just have it hidden. It's okay. I know. Oh yeah, we were looking at your BTTV emotes, and this one is kind of creepy, but it's pretty awesome. Clap. Maybe. Oh, I know what we should do. I'm saving this to desktop as well. I hope that's not too distracting. Can I paste that? I can't. I was gonna make multiple ones, but I think that's enough. There you go. I went for a few minutes and now there's a picture of a girl. This is what the stream has become. Obviously. Just need to change your category to artifact. Oh god. I watched Shrek 2 the other day in Artifact. It was pretty amazing. I think it was a Shrek marathon. Unfortunately, I couldn't stick around to see the other ones. There were a couple good movies playing in there, and then like everything else was just Monko S. I know Scribbly was watching a few horror movies. It's I don't know, it's weird. It's kind of like, it reminds me of the old school Gmod servers, where you just have random servers filled with like memes. Or like VR chat, how you just have like just complete randomness going on. Clown horror movies. Basically. Okay, let's see. Hey, it worked! And thank you for the host. I don't think it didn't come up in Stream Elements, didn't come up in Streamlabs, and I don't think it came up in Twitch.js. Feels bad. I mean, I don't have any host alerts just in general, but I was expecting, I'm like logging the events anyway, so the events should be appearing. I know. I only have a sub alert, a follow alert, and a raid alert, but I don't have any bits or hosts. I think for the hosts I should just copy and paste my raid alert, but yeah. I was expecting to at least see an event, Also, I think this thing works. Let's try it again. What happens if multiple subs go off? Okay, so I'll only play it once. Which I get, I guess? I don't know. Let's What size is this? 508, 316. One question, is there a way to put the confetti in the foreground in front of the frame? Oh, that's right, because you have the frame and then you have the camera, your webcam behind it. Wait, isn't this going over your cam anyway though? So this is all transparent. Unless, is your cam going to be in front, sandwiched between the two WebMs? The ball animation is hella flashy, transparent. It is, yes. And it is the creation of Bishop in chat, who is pals with Amphi, who you know from Splitgate. So yeah, small world. Who's Amphi? Wow. Adham. I mean, the confetti has a screen replacement. Wait. I mean, I'm confused. I am confusion. So, does that mean that you would need to have two browser sources? I mean, you could make it two browser sources. Negative. The confetti effect should be in front of the other video. Oh, in front of this frame, not like behind it. Is that what you mean? Okay. Yeah, I can just move this up. Oh wait, it already is up. It's on top. Why does it not? Let me make it an actual thing. Let me try putting it into OBS. 508, 316. Save. Exit. Edit. Custom resolution 508, 316. Submit. So now when we open it again, it should be that exact size. Launch. Copy. Oh, that's still there. I forgot for a second. 508, 316. View. Oh, it took a second to load. Wait, I can't really see it. Let me bring up a darker background. Okay. And then so if I play the thing alert, it should do the thing. It didn't appear, or it was super dark and I didn't see it. I don't think it's appearing. Hello? Refresh. Oh, because I need to show emulated events on stream. Right, you gotta tick that box. I forgot they added that. Ah, okay. There we go, it appeared, and my actual sub animation appeared as well. Let me disable that real quick. Cool. It does appear. Poggers, dude. Instead of scaling it up, I think what you can do is just scale it up here. So I feel like, I don't know if scaling it up here makes it lose quality. I feel like it would. So if you want to avoid that, we can scale up the base size here. Actually, oh no, let me not do that. You need to change the dimensions first. What is the original size of the thing? Let me bring up a calculator. 1142 divided 709 times... Oh no, let's just make it that size. Breaking everything now. It's okay. We got this. 1142 and 709. 1142, 709. And then we just scale it up to that. Like that. Looks good. Save. And now this looks broken, but it's not broken because we can still fix it. 1142, 709. And then we can scale it down. So that should be the whole quality of the video. And then, let me make it actually full screen. This is gonna look super weird. Oh wait, she can be the streamer inside the video. That's a good idea. It's fine. Everything's fine, chat. Just breathe. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. And then we play the thing. Can't even see the thing right now. Okay. Play. Hey, look! Okay, the thing, it just lagged because I have so much open right now. But I think it should be fine. I mean, you guys have monster PCs, so it'll be okay. My laptop can barely handle the number of tabs and things I have open right now. It should be okay though. There you go. Didn't lag that time. So that's on a sub. So that's, and then you can play your, normal sub alert or whatever, and then have that. It looks pretty good. Sub. I can't stop clicking it. It's so good. Actually looks good. What are you making? What's up, Exile? So Bishop is a god at making these frame things, and we're just adding some extra code spice to it, Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, let's put Pokey main back down here. And we have the claps because that worked out. And then you can have your cam down here. So maybe this is her cam down here. And she's like, streaming. And she's being like, yeah, this is awesome. What's going on? Some Poke maintenance, if I say so myself. She's clapping and gaming. Oh no, my chat died. But it's okay, because I can see it up here. Where's the thing? Woo! Poggers, dude. I got a picture with Pokey at TwitchCon EU. Nice! I actually heard that she went to TwitchCon EU. It's pretty insane that got that kind of backing. I definitely need to go to the next TwitchCon in Europe. I'm so sad that I didn't make this year's one. It feels bad. I can flex my Stream Elements hoodie this time as well. So actually, it's probably good that I waited because I didn't even get that until after TwitchCon EU. I can just like pretend, even though my hoodie says Code Guru under it, I can just pretend that I'm in the Dream Team, you know? I'll just pretend. Let me have this. What are the other... I want to try adding the other videos. Oh god, I need to close some tabs down. I feel like I have too much open. Why do I don't need that. The host things failed, so I can close all of that down. Okay, so we also have... Oh wait, these are the variations, I think. Balloons. Oh wait, but this is only gonna play... Okay, so if I'm correct, the variation should switch, actually. Wait, it didn't appear. Oh. Maybe I did something wrong. You know what? Let's just leave it. That's fine. We got the confetti working. It's showing on the OBS stream? Did it? Change video. Oh, the confetti, okay. I thought, yeah, I tried adding the balloon one, but you know what, I'll just leave it with the confetti. It's okay. I will accept. I yield. Cool. Still shows up. Save. Exit. I will, well, that's proof of concept, I guess. It does work. What was the other thing that you mentioned? Something about the banner? Actually, do you mind if I use your replay, not replay, your thing on the this? Actually, I'd love to give it a test. So basically, I have a replay widget, and I'm pushing out an update soon that will let you use animated borders for the thing. And I'm gonna see. I have your blessing. Thank you. If I can use that for this. Oh my god. Why are there so many? That was crazy. Okay, border type video. Test mode, border. So basically a clip inside this. And it might take some adjusting. I can scale down the video as well, actually. Download video. I might have to squash it. I don't know. Is that gonna work? Okay, I feel like that might work now. This is very scuffed. Hold on. Give me a second. Height. I think it's because the border isn't like the bounding area isn't completely. Okay, that looks like it's kind of right. I'm trying to get. It doesn't matter too much actually, because the clip will still be visible. It's just that part of it is cut off at the top, but I don't think that matters too much. And obviously this border wasn't designed for this specific purpose. But let's try it. Let me pause this for a second, and then maybe one of Scribbly's clips will show up. Who knows? Replay. Oh, it's Barry.
Hey.
And he's gonna go on a rant. I don't think he likes me showing that clip, so I'm not gonna play that again. Replay. Oh, it's Kazla. Looks pretty good. I don't think cutting off the top matters too much, actually.
Oh, you fuck.
I just need to, Oh, you know what? What if we can Let's try a different animation. I think I've actually tested these properly. Bounce in. Oh, it's Asahi. Yeah, I don't think cutting off the top matters too much, because well, it's just a replay, and I think if there's something super important at the top that's going to be cut off, it's probably not going to be worth replaying anyway. Just the main content or whatever.
Oh, that messed me up bad.
It's pretty good. Seems like it seems to work nicely actually, so that's good. Stream Elements didn't used to have a image selector, so this image thing where you can actually pick from your assets is new. I think it was added like last week. And before I used to have to get users to upload their videos to like Discord or something, and then copy the link, the upload link, which was really like not user friendly at all. So this makes things so much easier for the user, which is good. I could make an animated replay frame, dude. You could. When I push this this update out, I can link you in the tweet and be like, hey, if you need an animated replay frame, you should hit up my boy Bishop. Well, maybe I don't know. I don't know when I'm gonna be pushing out the update, so you could get a pack ready to go.
I cannot believe you pulled that off.
And be like, yo, it's pretty poggers. It does look pretty good.
That's
Also, that was an amazing clip, which is why I had to put it in. I think you want to tweet and say Mike is alright too.
I love that you kicked him on the way down.
You're alright.
I got fucking.
I'm gonna lie. I don't care what anyone says about you. You're okay to me. I'm trying to find Scribbly's clip. It's here somewhere. It's Kazler again.
Hey,
Oh,
you little shit! Don't go
Oh,
around trying to take people.
okay, it's not that one. I think maybe Scribbly just removed himself from the clip bank. It's possible.
Where's this
It's
friend?
Barry again. Scribbly, where are you? I don't even know if... Oh wait, why is this still here?
Where's this?
I apologize.
Use my saw blade.
No.
Why did that not come out? Stay on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Get down on the ground, sir. Sir, get down on the ground.
That was when he was playing Dead Space. I need to introduce him to the character community properly.
It's everywhere.
That is Toast again. Feels good, man. No, feels bad, man.
Where's this friend?
My god. If Scribbly doesn't show up any second, I'm gonna flip. I'm just gonna end stream here.
Oh god, I don't know this map. It's been
It does work. Except Scribbly's not showing up, and I'm spamming my own chat trying to make him appear.
Oh god.
Okay. I have had enough. You know what we're gonna do? We're going to remove everyone else from the clip bank, and we're just gonna make it so it's Scribbly only. This is taking way too long. I'm sorry, we have to do this.
Hey, you little shit!
It's
Don't
the
go
only-
around
it's
trying to
the only
take
way.
people's fucking credit card information, you fucking dumbass.
Uh,
you wanna come
but
here?
yeah.
You wanna try to pull this garbage? Get out of here. You don't belong on Twitch.
I can
alright?
hear,
Get the fuck out. Stop trying to take people's shit. Go get a job.
Shouting in the
Quit trying to ask your
background.
dumbass cards. I'm not 7 years old, obviously. I'm not
Scribbly.
gonna fall for
Okay.
some dumbass
We're just gonna
ego
remove
skills.
everyone
Get the
else from
fuck
the
out,
clips
or I'm gonna
array.
make you leave.
Are you sure that it wasn't a joke?
And it's just gonna be
If
here.
this guy's
See,
joking,
Scribbly is
then
just here on his
fuck
own. Look at that. Scribbly. It's the only one who's not commented out. Save. And upload. Yes. Okay, it's done. Now Scribbly is the only one who is a test clip, so it should appear now. What do you know? There he
Listen, guys,
is.
Please, everybody, if you guys have not checked out General Mittens, please do. Fantastic stream. Link, would you please fuck my ass?
That look.
Fuck it. God damn it. Alright.
It is an amazing clip. It is. Truly. If anyone does, by the way, have a clip that they would like me to put in, I will do a special limited 2-second offer where I will add your clip to the thing. And it will appear when someone does a test clip in the editor. I don't usually do this because I didn't handpick those clips, but I did just randomly find some clips to put in. I will add the clip whilst I have it open, at least, because I need to send. I've uncommented them to make it less not fair. It's not fair on Scribbly if I single them out. That look is amazing. It is. That's good. That's good that it works. And I think, let's try the border one. Solid color. Oh god, what's this clip? You know what, I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting that this isn't a troll clip, so I'm just gonna add it to the thing. And then we'll see what it is. It says doo-doo words. Why did I almost type? And it's me shaking my butt. Okay, well, obviously we now have to see this. Let's see. Let's go back to video. I'll put the volume up a bit. Oh, you know what? Actually, scratch that. Let's make this, let's add this to the overlay and see if it works properly in the overlay. Save, launch. Why is the chat wave an audio source? I have no idea. Actually, I should remove that. Forvada! I'm gonna hang my phone. Oh no, you tripped the dad bod as well. Rip. Sorry. Sorry you had to come in like this. Hey, let's try it. Okay. It should appear. Let's see.
This sweet guy.
Oh my god, I can... Oh, it's down here. What? Oh my god, that's amazing.
Okay.
We got it. Alright, so we're transferring and we're gonna be back over here. Woo! Let's go. We got
Poggers,
100
please. Bruh. Yes. Fovana, what's up? How's it going? This is a scuffed stream with so many memes. Like my like my laptop can't even handle what's going on right now. Like the chat box is lagging all over the place. And yes.
Okay.
We got it. Alright, so we're transferring and we're gonna be back over here. Woo! Let's go. We got 100 biddies.
God, the lag. Oh no. What about the dancing? Albister didn't want to comment about the dancing. Probably. I just spent 3 hours trying to figure out how to test a component. Oh no. In when you say component, do you mean like React, Vue, that kind of thing? I need to play around more with one of those. Probably Vue because my documentation is in Vue. Okay, let's uncomment those. And we will make that whole again. Okay. You know what? We should commit. Let's commit. Added bishop GP clip to test bank for how did I structure it? Create clips or clips create? Clips create. Create clips. I don't know. We'll just do that. React. Oh, okay. Trying to figure out how to handle error nest inside another component. Yikes. Well, at least you managed to get it done. I'm not confident enough to play around with React. I did for like the purposes of one overlay test, but it was Monk S. I need to revert this back to normal actually. Border. That's pretty cool. I'm glad that worked. Thanks for that. Let me try the color border. So there's an option to have a color border where you can just set the color. That seems to work okay. You just need to adjust the video to fit inside the thing, so that's fine. So basically just reduce the video size and the height, I guess. Or make the height bigger. Oh no, you need to drag the thing around. But yeah, that's fine. We'll just put it to none for now. So it's full screen. Exit animations fade out. Trigger immediately, yes. Mute audio, yes. Enter animation is fade in. Good. Only play around with stuff. Yeah, I've seen you working on your things, because you have the Discord rich presence thing. It's extension enabled for your VS Code. I used to have it enabled as well, but I don't know. Now I get self-conscious about the projects that I work on, so I decided to disable it. It was cool at first though, but sometimes I have secret stuff that I can't show. Like I wish it would just say that you were in VS Code, but it wouldn't show. Like if there was a toggle to show, maybe just the workspace, but not the actual file that you're working on, that would be good. Maybe there is an option and I just haven't seen it. That was like a couple months ago. I should just rename my project to the weirdest things. You could do that. That would throw people off. It would just be a pain every time I'm like committing stuff to Git. I would have to rename it temporarily and stuff like that. Oh yeah, how is your Git coming along? I hope you're committing regularly. Imagine seeing me work on the Firewire_hack. Yeah. That would be MonkS. I don't know how I'd feel about that. It's safe to be where my PC crashed. Oh, nice. I feel like I'm doing well with my activity. It did slow down a lot when so this period here is when I had like exams and stuff. Well, not exams, assignments and things, but it's sped up a bit. My next stream is going to be called Bootlegged Firewire Stream, and just play your voice over CS:GO surfing gameplay. What? Oh my god. I would cringe so bad. I hate the sound of my voice. I can't even watch my own VODs back. I have to mute the stream. So that would be a terrible experience for me. I've gotten better at least, like sometimes, but I don't know. think this works. What was the thing I needed to change? Oh, I needed to make height 100%. Everyone hates the sound of the voice. Yeah, I know. It's just one of those things. It's like, isn't it to do with the way you like hear your voice when it's coming out of you? That sounds wrong. My next stream will be me watching Firewire WODs while queuing for artifacts. You know, I feel like maybe what if we switched our category to artifact and we just did a coding stream in artifact? I feel like the amount of scuffedness that we've gone through today, we probably would have gotten away with it. But I also feel like Twitch is just going to tag every single stream that has streamed in artifact and like ban them or something. So I feel like if we did set foot in there, we'd be flagged and deleted or something. It's gonna happen. I feel like it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Maybe I should just make a folder. I don't know. How big are these files? Oh wow, they're not that big at all. I could commit these, but at the same time I don't want to because it's Bishop's work. But I do want to save these files so that I know what code I used. I guess I could just say just download this again or something. Do whatever you want. I don't mind. Okay, well, we'll make you a folder then, so that I have a reference to this, because Git's really good for basically backing up work and stuff. So I'll move you into the Stream Elements folder, and then that way, when we come back to this, we'll have a thing. Bishop GP. What would this be called? Webcam? Cam frame? Confetti frame. That's a bit long. Confetti frame. It'll be confetti frame. And then we will do that. Save this. Move this over here. We'll get rid of the other ones since we didn't really do anything with them. What is my naming convention for these? I think what I usually do is I don't know. Like my other widgets, I tend to just oh, okay. Well, it's technically not really a widget. I'll just call it the same name. And what I need to do is make separate files. One will be the JavaScript, one will be the CSS, and one will be the JSON. So the HTML will literally just be the HTML, which will be this. The CSS will be this. I need to make these, oh, there's no music. I forgot. A mistake. TSB, what's up? How's it going? I still can't not think of the bank when I hear your name or say your name. It's just, that's how it is now. I am bank. Yes, you are. Unfortunately, whether you like it or not, you're bank. That's not what I wanted. And then I think CSS, HTML, JavaScript. JavaScript looks tiny. I guess it is. Because it only needs to listen for the event and then play the video. What are you up to today, TSB? I've mostly not been very productive today. I mean, at least streaming is making me productive, kind of. I'm just getting by, I guess. I'm probably gonna end stream here in a bit. I don't want to go and play some, what's it called? Shadow of Mordor. No, Shadow of War. Alright, let's play. Let's commit those. You know what? Let's make a resources folder inside that. Or assets. Call it assets. Elliot has some nice assets. We'll just leave it at that. Working on guns in Destiny 2, and grinding money in ESO, and buying furniture. Nice. Well, it's true. It's true. What changes did I make in this file? Oh, I added the partner badge. I don't know if I should let you keep that. I did say I was going to remove them because I literally gave everyone a partner badge, and I felt bad for the... Well, I didn't feel bad for the actual partners. It was just getting a bit confusing. Like, if everyone has a partner badge, then no one has a partner badge, that kind of thing. Have you updated Windows 10 to the May update? They added light mode. I did see that, and no, I'm not going to update because I'm not that scuffed. Kappa. Newt the Destroyer, what's up? You changed your name again. How's it going? I'm gonna commit all of these. There we go. Added Bishop. We'll say stream elements because it's under stream elements. Stream elements. Bishop, GP. Confetti. Frame. Widget. Did I? I was not paying attention. I did see that you changed your name after we raided Rob, I think. And we have this host stuff. Okay. I think everything's done. I do need to push out a new update for the rotator widget. But yeah. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours, not too bad. In that case, I'm probably gonna call it here. Managed to get some good stuffs done today. And yeah, I'm glad that this managed to work. Let's try it again. That's the thing. Volux, Warlux, hello. How's it going? How would I go forward to start learning coding overlays for Streamlabs? I guess JavaScript would be a good place. It kind of depends what you're looking to do. I know Streamlabs does support a lot of custom CSS stuff for their like event list and donation goals and stuff like that. But if you want to build something like super custom, you can either do it in a plain old HTML file, in something like VS Code, or you can take a look at Stream Element stuff, which allows you to build mini overlay things inside a custom widget like this. This, by the way, is a WebM. That was not done with code. The looping is done with code. And then the thing that we have it set up to do now is to play a confetti thing when a sub happens, which is pretty awesome. The animations themselves were done by Bishop, who is there in chat. There's the confetti on the sub, which is poggers, dude. But yeah, I am gonna call it here before it gets a bit too late, and I will probably be back, I want to say tomorrow, and we'll probably figure out something to do. But yeah, have a good night, everyone. I'll still buy next stream. Sounds good. I'm a bit... I just realized that the... Okay, so disclaimer... Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do the thing. Disclaimer is my transition... This is an old transition that I made like last year, and it was about the same time that I started watching Bishop, and his transition was so awesome that I had to try and create something of my own, which ended up literally being a copy of his transition, which I'm no longer using, but now that he's actually in chat, I kind of feel bad about using it, because he's gonna see me for the fraud I am. And it's not even that great of a transition. But it's like, you can tell it's in the same style. My other transition is currently on the other lab PC, and unfortunately I don't have access to that right now, so yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys later.